Hi friends, this is Pawan Jadhav from sysbro.com. As we have promised, we will give more info about Clockwork Mode recovery use. After you flash Clockwork Mode recovery version to latest like 6.0.3.1, we have a lot of options for a lot of things to do. Just take a short look at different options. We have reboot system now from SD card. That is, if you want to flash any custom ROM or any custom modes, we may do it from here. Like choose zip from SD card like internal memory, and zip from external SD card is from our external memory card. We do factory reset from here. We have wipe cache partition option. We have backup and restore option. In this backup and restore option, we have many options like backup, restore, delete, advanced restore, free unused backup data, choose default backup format, backup to external SD card, that is our external memory card, restore from external SD card, advanced restore from external SD card. So we have saw two different words, that is SD card and external SD card. SD card stand for internal memory, where external SD card stands for external memory card. So let us talk about backup and restore option. That many of users are asking how to backup and how to restore. So if you want to backup your current running ROM with all your data, so you can restore it later if you find any error in new flashable zip. So for taking backup, you may do for taking backup, choose this option, backup to external SD card. Else if you choose backup, then it will go on internal memory card. Backup and restore option, we have advanced restore, that scans your previous backup and shows you different options like restore boot, restore system, restore data. Clockwork Mode recovery, we have one more option, that is advanced. So first option is reboot recovery, wipe delivery cache. This wipe delivery cache is used for after you have flashed a new flashable zip or any new custom ROM package. After you flash your new custom ROM through installed zip from SD card, you should choose appropriate option, that is from external SD card or from internal memory of device. Then you may flash it correctly. Wiping data in cache, delete VM cache from advanced menu, that is wipe delete cache. Then it will wipe it, and finally you may reboot system. So this is a short intro about how to use Clockwork Mode recovery. If you have any query, any suggestions, please comment below. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, that is youtube.com/sysberto. This is Pawan Jadhav from Sysbro Network. Thanks for watching.